Today I'm going to talk about something different. I talked to a coworker when I was at work today. He asked me questions about pocket knives and everything. And I told him there's different kinds of pocket knives, but it's not the knife itself you should be concerned about. It's what it's made with. Some pocket knives have high concentration of carbon in them, meaning they're good for tension and easy sharpening. But not all knives are like that. Take for this knife for example. It is both a mixture of stainless surgical steel and carbon. As you can tell, this knife is razor sharp. As this knife, on the other hand, has both a stainless steel surgical blade. It has your screw, your bottle opener, money clip, all that. As you can see, it's a lot smaller in size. I'm going to say about 8, maybe 5 inches or more or less. As you can see, the blade is way smaller than this blade. It's so weird to see Daryl just standing there like that, because just as looking Daryl was the best medicine, he literally just one open system. This one is a 2 open system. You open it, close it, button. If you my choice, depending on which one I would choose over either one, with this one right here. Every knife is going to have carbon and surgical steel mixed in. That's why you got to read the package of the knife very closely and research your knives very closely. Because you don't want to get a knife that has too much carbon, and sometimes they take forever to sharpen. You got some knives of stainless steel, which is good too, and everything. You just gotta research which knife is best for what you gotta do. So don't go out there and buy a knife. Oh yeah, this is good, this is good. Do your background, do your research on the knife. Do the research where the company comes from. How long that company been making knives. Stuff like that. You gotta know your research on your pocket knives, and your bowie knives, and your hunting knives, and your fishing knives, and your cooking knives. Every knife has carbon and surgical steel in it, but you gotta know which one has the high concentration and which one has a low concentration. You have a bowie knife with too much concentration of carbon in it, and it takes forever to sharpen when it does get dull. But you get someone with just too much, and you try to sharpen it, you can damage your blade, and in the process get hurt or killed. And you just gotta know what you're doing when you sharpen a knife. You gotta know the angle, is it a 45-degree angle, what material is made, the blade is made out of, who made it, which kind of steel they used, what kind of surgical steel they didn't use. It's just a whole bunch of balance you gotta understand about it. You just can't go out and buy a knife and think it's going to perform well like all these other knives. Certain knives have their breaking points, as you can say. And while I'm at it, please people, go to my YouTube page, follow the links. You're looking for a t-shirt, I'll put the link in on my YouTube page, boogiebeardesigns.com. Excellent t-shirts made from old coworker of mine. This is me signing out.